Vice President Sara Duterte is back in The Hague in the Netherlands. She says this is to show the world the wrong that was done to her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte. As to reports about another impeachment complaint that may be filed against her, this is what the Vice President has to say.
As expected, dahil sila din naman na ang nagsasabi lagi na magpa-file sila ng impeachment complaints. So alam na natin yun na mangyayari yun. And as expected as well, magiging katulad lang din yan nung nakaraan na ginagawang fundraising ng mga members of the House of Representatives yung pagpirma nila sa impeachment. It's all about the money.